Have you ever wondered how animals survive the cold, snowy winter? While we wear jackets and sit by the fireplace, animals have some amazing ways to stay warm. Let's find out how. First, let's talk about hibernation. Some animals, like bears, sleep through the winter to save energy. They store food in their bodies as fat before winter begins and then nap in their cozy dens until spring. Other animals stay active during winter by growing thick fur or feathers. Foxes use their bushy tails like blankets, while penguins huddle together to share body heat. Some animals, like rabbits and mice, stay warm by burrowing underground. Underground burrows are like secret hideouts where they stay safe from the cold wind and predators. Did you know that some animals stay warm with layers of fat? Polar bears and seals have thick layers of blubber under their skin. This acts like a built-in winter jacket, keeping them warm even in freezing water. Some animals, like squirrels, prepare for winter by storing food. These food stashes help them stay active and warm when it's too cold to find fresh food. Isn't it amazing how animals have such clever ways to survive winter? From hibernation to thick fur, nature has equipped them to stay cozy and safe. Next time you see a squirrel or a bird, remember how smart they are at surviving the cold. Thanks for watching. Stay warm and subscribe for more fun science videos.